It definitely wasn't passion for pussy. The nigga died for that. He died for that dick. Nigga died for that dick.
Yo, Skoe.
Yo,
What's your name?
what's the
I said,
deal?
what's up? What's up? Okay.
You said
Same
who?
shit. I just got home
Chilling.
actually. Chilling, bro. Hey, you remember? I've gone like with you
What
like
you want, Pedro?
twice already.
You got on the live?
I'm not with that bottle and shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you the one that was faded. Yeah, you had the bottle and shit.
Chilling,
Yeah, I
man.
remember. On God, it been a
Just
minute
got
though.
home, man.
What's up with you, Pedro? Yeah, faded as fuck, huh? You just get home. Definitely, that's that Potter.
You did.
Definitely, that's
Big up.
that Potter.
Yeah.
You already love that
Hey,
shit
you fuck
fucked
with
up.
these? Nah, you don't fuck with this shit. That kinky. Look
What's
what it
that?
said at the top. So
Nah, hell no.
look at that. Read that shit.
I
So
can't drink
good.
nothing but dark.
It makes you naughty. That shit
Anything
does, dog. Real
else?
shit.
Anything else? Man?
Yeah, there you go with that shit.
Not that Potter though. You still that's that Potter.
I said, what's up with you though? Hey, bro, I had a question.
No, I'm chilling. Nah, get some sleep though, Pedro. No. Get some sleep, Pedro. Get some sleep. Retreat, bro. You get some sleep, Pedro. Like, it's just all you need is like get you like take a hot shower, Pedro. Like seriously, take a hot shower, eat some menudo, drink your Gatorade, you be all right though. Seriously, like drink your Gatorade, eat some menudo, like seriously, like see you a nigga that drink, so you should get you some like when you go to the grocery store, buy you some cans, them little cans of menudo, like I'm telling you, dog. Drink your Gatorade, take your hot shower, dog. Eat some menudo, and go to bed, homie. Holler at you in the morning, Pedro. Fuck sleep. I had a question. No. Listen, Pedro. Eat you some menudo, drink you a Gatorade, take a hot shower, and go to bed for like 4 hours, Pedro. You'll be better. I'm telling you, you'll be better, though. I want to see you great, Pedro. Like, you know what I mean? You're going to be better. Wait, what he said? That nigga said gotta eat 2 tamales and he boo. Oh, that's that powder, nigga. You got a little powder in your nose still, like, bro, like, come on, bro. You know I know, like, I'm a real nigga. I know, like, bro, you got a little powder in your nose. You lagging. Like, yeah, boss. But, like, nah, chill, dude. like, just go. Eat you some menudo. Take a shower, dog. Hit them sheets. And I'll holler at you in the morning, dog. Definitely, that's that powder. That's that powder. Yeah. Yeah, dog. Yeah, just reboot, like recharge, like you got charge up, like put your phone on the charger, like put that phone on the charger, dog. Like, hey, dog, put that phone on the charger, homie. Hey, homie, radio. Hey, tell this Vato way too many bands. Put that phone on the charger, homie. Put the phone on the charger. Gracias a ti. A ti. Hey, homie, hold on. Tell this vato way too many bands. Put that phone on the charger, homie. Put the phone on the charger. Hey, homie, put that phone on the charger, dog. Menudo fits into a healthy meal plan. It definitely does. I'm telling you, especially when you're drunk, like you need some menudo or some pozole, or some menudo, get you back right. I'm telling you, get you back right. Yo, Skoe, you gotta let your dreads lock up that way. Nah, they plaited. They just plaited. My hair already locked up, so these are just plaited. Boy, they look hard though. I ain't gonna lie, they do look hard though. It is bracken. I ain't gonna lie, they is bracken, but nah, they just plaited. I like the pliability, like the way my dreads is. I could do different styles with my shit. My shit's so active. But these still look good though. I was gonna get my hair done, but fuck that, my shit still look good. Good. Real Rasta team this. Real Rasta team. Is that chitlins and menudo? No, it's not chitlins, but I think it's like what they put in menudo. It might be a little 3-parts. Like no, it ain't 3-parts. What they call that shit? It's like a little skin. It ain't chitlins though. It ain't chitlins. It's like a little skin. That's why I don't eat menudo. I don't like menudo because I don't like that. What is the? It'd be like that little pork skin or like cow skin, like whatever that shit. I don't fuck with that. No, I don't fuck with that. That's why I don't eat menudo. But I know, like, it'll get you back right, like when you been drunk. But I don't like menudo. You know what I do? Albondigas. I fuck with the albondigas. That's my shit. Albondigas. I don't do menudo. Albondigas. Get that in. Find out what that is. Albondigas. Let me see. This nigga talking about. Find out what albondigas is.
That's what you're talking about. That's the tripe.
Yeah, that tripe. That's what it is.
Yeah, that should be tasting like slimy boogers, man.
You know what I'm talking about? That little like. Yeah, I don't like that.
You like the albondigas?
Yeah, I don't like.
Hey man, you damn near Mexican living out there for that long, huh?
But that's my. Yeah, Cali, like no, in Cali is damn near like Mexico, bro. Like especially at LA is damn near like Mexico. Yeah. So like
so
you got it's like
for us in New York, it's the Puerto Ricans and Dominicans. I'm Puerto Rican. But for y'all is the Mexicans, El Salvadorians.
Exactly. See what I'm saying? It's
yeah.
Can't help but intertwine the cultures.
Yeah. Hey, you hear about the 4 dudes that went over there?
You know what I mean?
You heard about that, right? Yeah. Hey, I know you be out there. Be careful. Well, you.
Oh yeah. The 2 got killed and shit. Yeah. That shit's smooth though. That shit it's how you move though, bro. Like you really gotta be, you know what I mean? Yeah. See, you can't go too deep in like and all that shit. They was doing too much, like, bro. Yeah. Like me, I just go for what I go for. Yeah, come right back, like you know what I mean. I'm not moving around like crazy. Like I come in wide though. I'm moving around crazy.
My boy Flip really liked you, man.
I gotta get.
Yeah.
Who? Queen's Flip?
I told him he think he better than people now because he's on with Joe Budden now, you know. So he's not. I mean, he's still doing his thing, but you know. I don't like his voice, man.
That nigga Joe Budden.
I don't like his voice, man. He's trying to sound like Dr. Phil, man.
And like he just corny. He just corny to me. Like he cool. Like not like that. Not like
hey
that.
man, I was
like,
in Vegas last week. We went by that store where we saw you last time. We took that picture. We was at the Planet Hollywood, the Mile High.
Where at?
Yeah, the Mile High. Yeah, the Mile High mall. You know that big mall, Mile High.
Planet Hollywood.
That's where we saw you last time with my family. Yeah, man. You be still going out to Vegas?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hell yeah. Bro, I got a daughter out there. Yeah. I ain't been in it though.
Like Mexico, man. You got to go in and go out.
It's been about 2 years or so. Like
it's a trap, dude. You better just go handle your business. Yeah, man. Any haters on today?
I'm out there.
Any haters on today?
You said who? Always, every day, bro. That shit it's part of the job. It's like a given, bro. Like you know what I mean? It's like a given. They're gonna be here for sure. This ain't even my page. This the backup page. They gonna find anywhere they go, anywhere I go.
All right, but all right, I will. I'll check.
Yeah. Easy, bro. Do your thing though. Love, man. Tap in.
All right, thank you, man. Later.
All right, you too. Love to you and the fam too, bro. Yes, sir. Oh God, my nigga, oh God, I forgot I ran into my nigga, bro. You know what I'm saying? Niggas be all around the world. That's an NY nigga. That's a nigga from New York. And nigga, I met in Vegas. Like that's hard. Like nigga, be like you ain't stuck in your zone. Like nigga, get out your circumference. Nigga, get outside. Nigga, you nigga always talking about I'm outside dying. Nigga, get outside your circumference. Nigga, go travel. Nigga, catch a flight. Nigga. You niggas like I know niggas that never been to Vegas. It's niggas from Cali that never been to Vegas, bro. That shit bothers me. Like, bro, you never been to Vegas and you like niggas ain't never been to New York, bro. Like niggas like, bro, get out your circumference, bro. Stop living your whole life stuck in the same spot and dying in the same spot, never even experiencing the world. Like, look, it's a whole different kind of bitches in New York. Like, bro, you go to New York, it's a whole different kind of bitches. Like, bro, it's a whole nother world, bro. Like, get out your circumference, nigga. Get outside for real. Like, nigga, you niggas talking about you outside dying. Nigga, get outside for real. You know what I'm saying, nigga, catch a flight. Nigga. Catch a flight, nigga. Matter of fact, speaking of that, it's time for me to catch a flight again, too. While I'm telling y'all, it's time for me to catch another flight, too. I ain't caught a flight in a minute. It's been a while. So I gotta catch a flight my damn self. Just like Miami is a bunch of Cubans. Yeah, Miami, because it's close to Cuba. It's a lot of Puerto Ricans too, but like a gang of Cubans though. Fine ass Cubans though too. Hi, papi. Oh, I like Miami. Miami is good. Miami's good. Hi, papi. I love when they call you papi. Like, don't you love like hi, papi? That's hard. Like American women don't just do only prostitutes call you daddy. Like prostitutes and women with sexual issues say, hi, daddy. Like they don't like in Cali, like in LA, like Los Angeles and like California, like really in America, these bitches don't even call you daddy. All the bitches that call you daddy is prostitutes. Like, and this is like, you go to other countries, like you go to Mexico, fucking Miami, and nigga fucking New York, papi, it's papi. Like, yeah, like bitches ain't got no problem calling you papi. Hi, papi. Like, oh, go get you a haircut, papi. Like, you want some money for a haircut, papi? Like, yeah, like they different. Oh, God. These bitches out here, these county bitches different, bro. Only prostitutes call you daddy. Who you voting for next election? Free Donald Trump, bro. Fuck that. Free Donald Trump. Free Donald Trump. Just like I was in Memphis back in December. You got some sexy yellow bone, you know. They everywhere, bro. Like, bro, they everywhere in the world, bro. Like, just like it's niggas out here, it's bitches. It's gonna be bitches everywhere. They got bitches in Montana. They got bitches in Wyoming. There are bitches in fucking North Dakota. Like, there's bitches everywhere. There's bitches in Maine. It's gonna be everywhere you go. There's gonna be some bitches. You just gotta find them. They there, though. They there. You gotta find them. You gotta be a nigga they want. Stay a nigga. Nigga, I go to Maine and fuck Maine up, nigga. Nigga, they ain't no niggas like me walking around Maine like that. Like, nigga, I go to Maine and fuck Maine up, nigga. I go to Montana, fuck Montana up, nigga. I go to Wyoming, fuck Wyoming up right quick, nigga. You know, nigga, I go to Nebraska, fuck Nebraska up real quick and get on like that, nigga. I said, nigga should take this, like, nigga, I should go on the OnlyFans dick tour, blood. The first ever OnlyFans dick tour, blood. Boskoe100 the only like this. Because I go to Wyoming, fuck Wyoming, go to Idaho. I go to all the most like towns that you'll never expect a nigga like me to go to. Fuck it up, man. I go to Utah, fuck it up. Go to fucking Idaho, fuck it up. Iowa, fuck it up. Colorado, Aspen, fuck it up. Nigga. Nigga. Take this shit on the fucking nationwide OnlyFans dick to it, nigga. Boskoe100, Skoe ain't stupid. Just tell you, nigga, Wisconsin, fuck it up, blood. Milwaukee, nigga. Fuck that shit up, nigga. I'm telling you, nigga like me, like in them kind of spots too, fucks it up, nigga. Nigga, what? T-Pain fucked Wisconsin up. Man, T-Pain ain't shit, nigga. I'm telling you, like, he ain't gonna fuck it up like me, nigga. I'm a Will Chamberlain, that guys, nigga. I'm telling you, I'm gonna come out there like, bam, nigga. Everywhere I go, nigga. What? Nigga, I'm gonna fucking it up, nigga. Nigga. Fucks it up, nigga. I'm coming to fuck shit up. I'm telling you. Washington, it don't matter. Virginia, fucking it up, nigga. Rural Indiana, fucking it up, nigga. Them overseas feeling. I ain't been overseas yet. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I still ain't been overseas yet. But if I got over there, oh my God, I ain't been over there yet. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't been overseas yet. I got a passport though, but I ain't been overseas yet. But nigga, when I get over there, nigga, fucking it up. Nigga, fucking it up. Skoe, star boy. Man, get over here, blood. Get your give me the cheeks looking ass up. Like, blood, nigga call you give me the cheeks, blood. Like, blood, you'll be nothing but a victim in prison. Look at you, blood, with this hoodie on your head, blood. Tied the fuck up, trying to hide the boyishness in you, blood. Niggas will fuck you up too, blood. Like, blood, what are you talking about, blood? You bottom boy looking ass nigga, blood. Fucking willing. Like, blood, you like a willing victim, like, blood. I'm gonna call you give me the cheeks, blood. Like, blood. You GTC, blood. Give me the cheeks, blood. Like, nigga, this code, because that's all niggas are saying. All the L's, blood. Give me the cheeks looking ass nigga. Like, blood. Like, blood, is that a salmon hoodie? Like, blood, they got a salmon, like, blood, they got a salmon jacket with the hoodie, like, trying to hide, you know, like, blood, like we don't see the bitch. I smell bussy, like, blood, nigga smell bussy, like, nigga smell bussy on you when they smell. Nigga smell bussy on you, bro. I smell what nigga got a salmon jacket on. Man, retreat, man. Fuck out of here, man. Retreat, man. Nigga on the salmon jacket, bro. Like that, what color is that jacket, bro? Is that salmon? Oh my God. Oh shit. Okay. All right, let me get it back. Let me get it back. Oh, nigga had the salmon jacket. Nigga was like, wait, what color is that jacket? Is that salmon, bro? You get it? Oh my God, bro. Fuck this nigga found the salmon color jacket. The fuck you even find that, bro? You went in the store, you got the salmon. Yeah, I'll take that in the salmon. Because yeah, I'll take that. That jacket right there. Do you have it in salmon? Like, where the fuck you get a salmon color jacket? Oh my God. Anyway, moving along. Good morning, good people. Good morning. Top of the morning to the gang. Top of the morning. Oh my God, bro. Nah, he ordered that. Fuck do a nigga find a salmon jacket, like, really? Come on,
what's up,
bro.
Skoe? I'm in the bed with my gal. You in the
What up, bro?
you in the kitchen talking shit. It's 6
Is
o'clock
that
in
in the
the
rain?
morning.
What is
Where
that?
you
What's
at?
that behind you? Is that in the rain? Wait, what's that behind you? Is that in the rain?
Nigga, that's
You
a
got
whole
the
water
rain
bottle.
lotion.
I'm
They
geek.
got different color lotion. Like they got the booty.
Look, this is
No,
lotion.
that's a whole
This
lotions
is
and baby
lotion
oils. Look, like
on blood. I'm in the
exactly, bro. Exactly. Keep that club retreat, bro. Keep that nigga like see the big bottle of lotion too. They got the big quick pump bottle. Yeah, I know. You were watching me, so you basically you laying in the bed watching me with a big ass bottle of lotion. Real like, see what I'm saying, man? You just set yourself up for this shit, man. You laying in the bed watching me with a big ass the quick pump joint too. The quick pump joint. And it was half empty. That motherfucker was half empty. Like, man. Not glass half full, it was half empty. That motherfucker was half empty. Oh, shit. That's crazy, man. This nigga laying in the bed, watching me with a big ass bottle of lotion, like gigantic, with the quick pump action. Like, yeah. That's crazy. Alexa, play Let Me See You Pump It Up. Pump it up. Pump it up. He left some on the side of the bus. And he want to come back. Now you want to come back. Like, what you want to talk more shit, man? Like, what are you going to say? Like, what do you want to say? Like, bro.
Man, I swear, I thought.
Bro. But why are you laying in the bed in the dark? Like, man, this nigga really jacking off watching me. Like, you look like you just got one off. I swear, I got a good one off. Like, good, get your gay ass the fuck out of here. Like, man, I swear, what? You swear what, nigga? I swear, I got a good one off. Like, man, get your gay ass out of here, man. Like, man, he relieved himself. Like, man, fuck out of here, man. Nigga over there looking relieved and shit, bro. Like, you seen him, he thought he was gonna come in there, like, bro, put his arm behind, like, when they put the arm behind the head, like, man, I swear, like, he was finna, like, he knew he was finna get into it, like, nah, bro, nah, fuck out of here, bro. Add you back, bro. You got some penis, like, look at blood, like, look at blood. Add me back. Like, nah, nigga, you got this. Blood got his dick out. Like, you wanna kill? Blood got his dick out. Like, nah, fuck that, blood. Like, get your fat ass out of here, blood. Fuck you talking about add me back. Nigga, you got your dick out, nigga. Like, blood, fuck you, nigga. You already took it, like, blood. You already got a, like, I know. Because you already got on here taking the shit. You didn't let me see every part of you, blood. Like, blood, you just like, you like so obsessed with me, bro. You more obsessed with me than any bitch has ever been. Like, blood, there's no bitch that's ever been as obsessed with me as you, blood. I swear to God, like, nigga, like, blood, you like worse than any bitch. Like, I've never had, like, it would be flattering to have a woman obsessed with me like you are, blood. Like, blood, you're just fucking fat and annoying, but you're so fucking obsessed with me. It's crazy. Like, it's fucking crazy. Like retreat, blood. Like, you're so obsessed with me that your bitch wants me, blood. Like you like, your bitch, you like saying, Stanley, like, what are you, why are you dying? What are you doing? What did you do to your hair, Stanley? Shut up. Like, blood, Stan ass nigga, blood. Stanley, what's wrong with you, Stanley? Like, man. The fuck I be so cold, I'm wondering why, but I don't care at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, fat ass, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it would all be great, fat ass. Like, man, get your weird ass out of here, man. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it would all be great. Put your picture on my wall, Stanley. What's wrong with you, Stanley? What did you do to your hair, Stanley? Dear Skoe, yeah, man. Dear Skoe, I hope you do. Dear Skoe, fat ass. Nigga still here. Like, what? Stanley, what did you do to your hair, Stanley? Remember the video with Dido? What's her name? Dido? Stanley.
So you want to
see my hair, Stanley? What did you do to your hair, Stanley? Like, Stanley, what did you do? No, I don't want to see a bitch, fat boy. Like, I don't want to see a bitch. Why the fuck is so dark over there? Like, but it's like 6:50. It's almost 7 a.m. over there. Fuck, it's so dark, man. You got shades on there with a freaky ass nigga. Like, fuck y'all be doing over there, blood. Like, blood, why it's so dark? Like, nigga, it's 7 a.m. over there. I know it got to be at least like 9 a.m. over there, blood. Why the fuck is like 9, 10 a.m.? Why the fuck is so dark, blood? The fuck is you in the dark for, blood? Like, blood, you ain't no weird nigga. I bet you it smell like something over there too. Like every time you get on the line, it look like it smelled like something over there. I swear to God, like, it look like it smelled like something, nigga. Like you know, like you go to people's house and it smell like something. Dude, like, you ever go to somebody's house and it smell like, look, it look like your house smell like something, like bed and booty, like it smell like bed, booty, and BM. nigga house smell like bed, booty. Nigga house smell like bad booty and beyond, oh shit. Fuck. Nigga talking about his girlfriend. You wanna see my girlfriend? No. See that fat white bitch. Yeah, fuck with shit. I don't see that fat white bitch, nigga. Let me see her pussy. Nigga. No, I don't want to see her bitch. Let me see her pussy, nigga. See that fat white bitch. Like, nigga, what's that shit? What was that shit? What was that girl that came? Nana Boo? What was her name? Nana Boo. What was that shit? That shit used to come on TLC. Like, what was that shit? Little fat ass white girl. What was her name? Nana Boo. What was that shit? Nana Boo. Damn, man, I forgot this shit, man. You see that fat white bitch. Let me see. This nigga, man. He didn't want me to see this fat white bitch so bad, man. Let me see this bitch, man. This fat white bitch. Let me see, bro.
Nah, you broke in a bitch.
Let's see, bro. Let me see the fat white bitch.
Because you broke. Nigga, you could have been.
Live, why I look like nigga, you could have been shut the fuck up, man. Shit. I am popping, nigga. I'm not Hollywood. I don't want to be Hollywood. You want me to be Hollywood? Fuck you. Fuck Hollywood, nigga. I'm from Inglewood, nigga. But, nigga, I don't got to be Hollywood to be rich, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. I don't got to be Hollywood to be a rich nigga. I don't want to be Hollywood, nigga. I'm from Inglewood, nigga. And niggas want me to be Hollywood so bad because I'm famous. I'm famous as fuck. But I ain't Hollywood. I'm from Inglewood, nigga. I don't want to hang with them niggas. You want me to hang with these niggas? You want me to waste all my money on expensive ass cars? Fuck that, nigga. I ain't Hollywood. I'm from Inglewood, man. Fuck that shit, nigga. You niggas can drive Bentleys, nigga. We drive Chevys and Harleys. I like Chevys and Harleys, nigga. I don't ride Bentleys, nigga. I like Chevys and Harleys, nigga. That's why you niggas mad, like niggas be mad. Niggas want me to be like them, like nigga. I don't want to be like them, nigga. I like Chevys and Harleys, nigga. Oh God, I'm saying, nigga. Don't tell me how to spend my money, nigga. I don't tell you how to spend yours. Don't tell me how to spend my money, nigga. I like Chevys and Harleys, nigga. You feel me? This nigga tagging up Inglewood Police Department. Like, watch this, like, man. Blah. Fuck out of here. This nigga weird. Be true to you.